I just want to remove these cars. Just use the brush and then press return. Photoshop has got a great new feature, the remove tool. Remove tool can be found over here in the tools panel. If you can't see it, just go to the three dots and just go find it in here. Also, edit toolbar. If you find it here, just drag it over and place it into your tools. Click done. Once you've done that, I would suggest duplicating the current layer. So go to layer and duplicate layer. And that means it's non-destructive. You can always come back to it very quickly. Also, select it. So come over here, remove tool. And I would suggest go for this. Just turn this off. So now remove after each stroke. Now you can do it if you put that on, apply it, like that, and it will just do it automatically, which is fine. But personally, I prefer to have that off, so you have to press return. So I'm just going to apply it just rapidly over these people, press return, and you see straight away they're gone. There's some more down there, press return, and they're gone. Also, you can remove shadows as well. So I would suggest maybe make it slightly bigger and just drag over there. And most times it does quite a decent job. So press return. Sometimes the colour slightly changes. Mainly, I think it's getting the source material from here. And also, you of course can remove signs, maybe in the sky. Over here, you can see some fending masks. You might decide, let's get rid of that. Press return, and straight away, they're gone. And also maybe that. Press return, and they're gone.